Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to make a series circuit within the multisim. We can use any of the component in order to make a series circuit. But here we will prefer to use our lamp. So first we will click on place indicator and then we will go for our 12 volt 25 watt lamp. Okay, so this is our first element. Then we will place our next element and then we will place our last element, that is the third lamp. Now we need to take our DC voltage source. Okay, now this is our DC power source or voltage source. And then in the last we need one ground. Okay, now first you must know that in series circuit all the elements are in a single line, so there is one path for current flow, like connect this bulb with this bulb, okay, and this with this. Okay, now after it we have our battery, so we will connect the first lamp or bulb with the positive terminal of the battery and then the negative terminal with the last lamp. Okay, so now you can see that all our elements are, whether they are power source or passive elements or active elements, they all are in the same line. So now we will place voltage sources now, like voltage measurement probes. So this is current. Okay, so we will measure current on multiple points like this, and we will see that either all the points have same current or not. So now we need to run it after connecting ground. Okay, now we will run it. Okay, now you can see that we have connected here the voltage probe, so be sure that all the probes are of current. So okay, now you can see that every point has 694 milliampere current. It means that all the elements are in series because current has just one path to flow. So hopefully you got this simple concept that how you can simulate a series circuit within the multisim. So thanks for visiting our channel.